Here we have our infinite range wireless intercom, and the reason we say it's infinite is because it uses a cell phone network to communicate through AT&T or T-Mobile wireless cellular networks. And if you've got service at the point you want to put this at, it will work. It can communicate to either landline phones or cell phones, so pretty much no matter where you are in the world, this thing can call you. To activate this intercom, it needs a SIM card from AT&T or T-Mobile. It comes with a T-Mobile card, but a SIM card is it's the full-size SIM card that comes in phones such as this. This one was bought at Walmart for $19. It's a Go phone, and you can activate it and then turn around and pull the SIM card out of it. You do have to call AT&T to unlock the SIM card if you do go this route. But the nice thing about going this route is it does allow you to actually activate the SIM card before you put it into the intercom, so it makes it easier to make sure you know you've got this thing working right. If you look on the front of this intercom, you'll see a keypad, a button, and a speaker, and this is a security lock. And the keypad and the GSM intercom or the cell phone intercom are not integrated at all together, so they are totally separate. You cannot use this keypad to dial phone calls or activate the cell phone network at all. Now, if you look on the inside, you'll see they are wired together as far as power goes, but from that standpoint, they're totally separate. The keypad is used to enter codes that visitors can use to when they drive up to the gate, they can enter their code and the gate will open. So it can activate the gate opener on your gate. And the cell phone network can actually do that as well, or the cell phone card. When someone drives up and presses the button on the front of the intercom, it'll dial up to 3 telephone numbers. And when someone picks up on one of those telephone numbers, it'll dial those in sequence, not all together. When someone picks up, they can of course talk to the user. It's normal full duplex communications like you would be on a regular voice call. But they can also press the star key on their keypad to activate the relay in here that will be tied into your gate operator, so it'll open up the gate that way. This intercom is compatible with any gate opener that will use a switch closure, because all we provide is a contact closure. Essentially, it's like pushing a button to activate the gate. One nice feature about the cell phone intercom part is that you program 100 telephone numbers into it, and when someone calls the gate, it will activate the gate relay using the calling line ID information on that cell phone number. So you can use that as a way for your guests or even yourself to drive up to the gate, press a pre-programmed number on your phone, and the gate automatically opens. The good thing is that it doesn't actually answer the call. It just opens the gate, so you're not using any cell phone minutes from your cell phone plan. You can add a switch on your gate so this intercom can sense whether the gate is open or closed, and you can send text messages from your phone that will tell you the status of the gate, whether it's opened or closed. One nice feature of this intercom is that you can actually send text messages from your phone to open the gate or close the gate, or even check the gate status. In fact, text messaging is the way you program this system, so if you want to make a change to it, you could do it pretty much from anywhere in the world by just using your text messaging capability on your phone. So you do have to have a SIM card that will support SMS messaging as well as voice. So you do not want to get a tablet SIM card, because that will not work in these, and it must be a full-size SIM card as well. If you look on the back of the intercom, you can see it's got a standard gooseneck pole mount hole pattern, so it'll work with any standard gooseneck pole. On the top of the intercom, you can see it's got a puck mount antenna, and that is both vandal proof and weatherproof. And as long as your cell phone coverage is strong, which you're going to want to have at least 4 or 5 bars on your phone because this is a little more sensitive, this antenna should work fine. And we can get some high gain antennas as well, and there's a connector on the inside of the unit that allows you to use other antennas as well. As you can see, the housing is a heavy-duty metal housing with a stainless steel front on it. And it does have a good volume for noisy vehicles, so it can be used in fairly loud applications.